If you're wondering how to embed a YouTube video in LeadPages, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a hidden gem of a software that works even better than LeadPages for this specific task, and you'll get an exclusive free trial. So let's dive right in. First thing you want to do is open your LeadPages account and navigate to the page where you want to embed your video. Once you're there, click on Edit Page to enter the page editor. Next, you'll need to add a new element to the page. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see the Elements menu. Look for the video widget and drag it onto the page where you want your YouTube video to appear. Now that you've placed the video element, you'll need to configure it. Here's the fourth thing. Click on the video element, and in the settings panel on the right, you'll see an option to Add Video URL. This is where the magic happens. Simply copy the URL of your YouTube video and paste it right into that field. Next thing, once you've pasted the URL, you should see a preview of your video right on the page. But before you hit save, you can customize a few things. You can toggle the autoplay option, adjust the aspect ratio to match your page layout, or even add a call to action button that appears when the video ends. After all the adjustments, don't forget to click Save at the top right. You can preview the page to see how the video looks before publishing. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video in LeadPages. But before you go, here's a quick critique. LeadPages is great for its simplicity, but it does have some limitations when it comes to customization. You can embed videos, sure, but if you want more control over how your video appears, or if you want a more seamless integration with your landing pages, LeadPages might not be the best option. That's why I'm recommending a powerful alternative, one that has advanced video customization options, faster load times, and more flexible landing page designs. Stick around for that. By the way, I've got an exclusive deal for you. If you're looking for a better platform with more advanced features, check out Software Name. Through our link, you can access an extended free trial with all the premium benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, while LeadPages can do the job for embedding videos, if you want to supercharge your landing pages, I highly suggest checking out Software Name and taking advantage of their free trial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out.